monkeys are very good in imitating. You know about it or not? They copy it very nicely. So if they will just look at you, whatever you are doing, they will try to copy you. So our Bruno, sorry, not Bruno, Toto. Bruno also, one more chapter is there in your English book that we are going to read. It's also about the bear. He was, 1 minute. Am I audible? Drama started. This net is always creating so much trouble that. Hmm, hmm. So, Toto, he was in a habit of aping, imitating, copying. And that is why, if you remember that very day that we were explaining that how he used to take bath, no, how he was doing all this. So if you remember in a large kettle, when water was boiling on the stove, Toto climbed up to the stove and removed the lid from it. First of all, you remember that in the winter season, 1 minute, what you have to say? Ma'am, screen is not visible. Now is it visible? Screen visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes,
सुनो,
ma'am.
if screen is not visible, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो कहते हैं कि screen not visible, तो उनके साइड से नेट का प्रॉब्लम होगा. हम्म. Okay, so उनके साइड से नेट का प्रॉब्लम होगा. Otherwise, so please check your internet connection, my dear children. So if you remember what happened that in the winter season, Toto enjoyed having a warm bath. याद है ना? He would pretend to be selfish and before starting his bath, he would check the temperature of the water. He would copy, imitate the writer, our narrator, Ruskin Bond, and stepped into the tub 1 foot at a time, like human being. That means he was showing his senses. Basically, he was quite sensible. Finally, he would sit in the water with his face out of it. Then he would rub himself with soap. मैंने बताया था ना, काफी health conscious था, hygienic he was. When the water became cold, he would run out of it to the stove in the kitchen in order to dry himself. Toto got annoyed if he was laughed. If someone was laughing, refused to take bath. If someone is laughing, then he refused to take bath. कि okay, I will not take bath. वो रूठना बच्चों जैसा, because he was just like a baby monkey he was, very mischievous, and so वो tantrums show करता था. And that is why now one more thing happened with him. In a large kettle, water was boiling on the stove. Kettle, I explained to you. Toto, one day, what did he do? He climbed up to the stove and removed the lid. And then he felt that since water is quite warm and it was cold winter season, so he decided to take a bath. He entered the kettle with his head out of it. When the water started boiling, it became hot for Toto. He thought of coming out of the kettle, but since the temperature outside was very cold, so he stayed in it. And then the water started boiling. Toto kept on jumping in the kettle. And finally, thankfully, that grandmother, she reached there, she arrived there, and then she took up the half boiled Toto out of the kettle. So these are the reasons, these were the things which he was doing, always irritating the entire family. Not even a single day was going on where he hadn't created any mischief. He was so naughty. Itna shaitan wo tha. But still, people were tolerating it because grandfather was very fond of him. So that was. Now, very funny line is written. If there is a part of the brain specially devoted to mischief, if there was a part of a brain especially devoted to mischief, mischief, as I told you, mischievous se mischief hai, badmashi, mischief, huh? Then that part was largely developed in Toto, है ना? Brain में बहुत सारे part होते हैं. So that part was actually very much developed. Means if there is a part in his brain that governs your ability to create mischief, then that part in Toto's brain was highly developed. Why? Because he has a tremendous capacity, great capacity to do mischief. He was always tearing things to pieces. That is his favorite thing. सबसे पहला उसने याद करो, what did he do? He actually tore the piece of blazer pieces when he was kept in the closet. Hmm? Okay. Manavendra, I got you. You are saying do not share a screen because it consumes a lot of internet and most children. Yeah, okay, but if I will not do that, most of the children are having, but some may be sitting without anything. So for them, it will be a help. ठीक है, ऐसे ही चल रहा है. Okay. So basically, that was his best thing, that he was always tearing things. If you remember the very first thing when he was kept in the closet, he actually tore the entire wallpaper, the decorative, ornamental wallpaper, and not only that, blazer of our writer. So this was him. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. Now, really, no one will ever like it. Specifically, if you are wearing a nice dress, definitely you will never like that anyone will come and tear it. And those Anglo-Indian ladies, because as I told you, Ruskin Bott belonged to a British family. So Anglo-Indian aunts were coming. They were very much, obviously they are scared of monkeys. And not to, so first of all, they are scared of monkeys, and thereafter, Toto was doing all these nonsensical things. So whenever writer's aunt, they came to his place, he always tried to tear their dress. So these are the things which is not liked by anyone. एक होता है sweet बदमाशी, okay, which is not destroying anything. एक होता है destructive mentality. Destructive mentality is never ever appreciated by anyone. So this monkey was actually having a destructive mentality. एकदम destructive था ये बंदा. समझ जाओ, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ तोड़ना फोड़ना. एंड ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत टीजिंग इज ओके, एटलीस्ट सिंस वी आर कीपिंग अ मंकी एज अ पेट. मंकी इज सिनोनिम ऑफ नॉटीनेस. जैसे हमारे यहाँ भी कोई बच्चे बहुत जंप करता है तो हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं, मंकी की तरह मत करो. So because donkey is a lazy animal, monkey is quite mischievous and very full of energy, but that's okay. But destruction, creating, always destroying things, that is really unavoidable. You cannot avoid it. Unaffordable as well. Now अब ये last जो इस छोटा सा story है, which was the high time. Family was sick of it. मतलब ये सब छोटी छोटी बदमाशियां they all were expecting या accepting, sorry, कर रहे थे कि चलो छोटा बहुत tearing, he was tearing things, he was creating destruction. But one day, what did he do? That is the high time, and it was actually a alarming situation for the family to take a strong decision. Now suno ye start last hai. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. Now, one day, what happened? The entire family was ready for their lunch. A big, ये कह सकते हो एक बहुत बड़ा, बहुत ज्यादा large vessel was kept. A large dish of pulao was kept in the center of the dining table. Now the entire family was ready to have their lunch. बहुत बड़ा पुलाव बना, सब रखा हुआ था. But as they entered the room, obviously they were feeding Toto all the time. They were offering him nice food. But that very day, he crossed all the limit. सारे limit को तोड़ के what did he do? When they entered in the dining room, they found that Toto is stuffing himself with rice. He started eating the entire pulao from the main plate where it was kept. My grandmother screamed. She obviously didn't like it. She screamed. Screamed, yell, shrill, shout. Okay. So grandmother did not like it. What is this? Pura family wait कर रहा है lunch का. And see, this is not a funny thing. This is not a mischief. This is not the naughtiness. You cannot call it. So she screamed, yell, uchillai, and Toto threw a plate at her because the entire dining table was kept, मतलब पूरा arranged था, and he took a plate and threw it at her. अब बताओ, एक plate अगर कोई flow में फेंकेगा तो definitely what will happen? It can hurt you badly. One of my aunts rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. Now, it might be looking funny. ये बहुत funny लग रहा होगा सुनने में. But just imagine if any family has to face these kind of circumstances, and at that moment when you are actually giving shelter to an animal, who the hell will keep a pet like this? So one of aunts, she rushed कि maybe she will be able to stop him from eating pulao. What did he do? एक पूरा glass of water he threw it on her face. When father arrived, now grandfather who was so fond of Toto, who loved him so much, who tolerated all his mischief, he arrived. Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. Wow. Not only this, so when grandmother screamed, Toto responded how he threw a plate at her. When aunts tried to catch Toto, he threw a glass of water on their face. But grandfather, who actually loved Toto so much, he did not even think of him. By at least he would have thought of him. By this man is helping, this man has always loved me. Then why am I doing this? But what did he do? He took the plate and he came out. He left the place through a window, obviously carrying the dish of rice along with it. मतलब पूरी family को उस दिन खाना नहीं खाने देना है, that he has decided. And then we found him in the branches of the jackfruit tree. Jackfruit जानते हो ना, कटहल बहुत बड़ा सा tree होता है. So we saw him that he was there, the dish still in his arms. And then what did he do? He actually made a place. He sat beneath the branches, on the branches, and with that pulao, with that dish in his arms. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. Means the entire family was hungry. They were actually eagerly waiting for their lunch. But Toto, he did not even think of them. He remained out the entire afternoon. He sat on the branch of the jackfruit tree and he was determined, as if he has taken a determination कि नहीं, मुझे each and every bit I have to eat all the rice. And then in order to spite grandmother who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight that it broke into 100 pieces. इतना ही नहीं, after finishing the entire pulao, since grandmother had screamed on him, मतलब अपना बदला, in order to, so कहते हैं ना, revengeful he was. In order to take the revenge, उसने क्या किया? After finishing the entire pulao, and he wanted to annoy her further. He wanted to annoy grandmother कि okay, you yelled at me, fine, I will show you my thing. He threw that dish, bone china का होगा जो, and chattered means, kit 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 करके, the sound made by the monkey with delight. He was so happy. If you would have seen monkeys, I think all of we have seen monkeys. So chattered with delight. He became very happy when he saw that it broke into 100 pieces. Oh. Means after finishing pulao to finish kiya hi, sabka lunch to usne khaya hi, but after that he broke that serving dish and he was very happy. He started chattering, making sounds when monkeys are actually very happy, because he was happy that the entire plate has broken and it was into several pieces. Now this was too much, intolerable. They found it that this monkey is uncontrollable and this entire incident is कोई tolerate अब नहीं करेगा, बहुत हो गया, this is too much. Means first of all, you are giving shelter to an animal, you are treating him like your own kid, you are actually tolerating all his nonsense, you are loving him like anything, offering him food, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, and after that if he will create such a nuisance all the time, and abhi ye nuisance hai, later on it could be turned into, you can say, in violent activities. ये भी तो हो सकता है कि maybe if he will grow and if he will become stronger, then he can create some violent activity, he can harm someone. Not only till now he was simply throwing things and wasting, destroying. So not only he was destroying things, but one day maybe a moment may come that if he will become violent, if he will hit someone, then what will happen? So final decision was taken. And what was that? Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. Yeah. So even grandfather realized that we were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains, and wallpaper. So grandfather found the Tonga diver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. सोच लो क्या हुआ? मतलब even grandfather realized that Toto was not suitable to be kept at their place because they are not well to do. बहुत rich नहीं थे वो लोग, rich भी होंगे तो भी नहीं. They could not afford the frequent losses that he was giving them because he was frequently tearing clothes, he was frequently tearing curtains, wallpapers, breaking dishes. So finally, grandfather decided to sell him once again. He looked for the same Tonga driver and then he was sold for only 3 rupees. याद हो कितने पैसे में उसे खरीदा गया था? 5 rupees में.
5.
And yes, 5 rupees. And finally, grandfather decided कि no, it is difficult. अब बहुत हो गया. We cannot tolerate it. It is a mischievous animal, thankless animal who has no love, no reciprocation for anyone, no respect, no respect से भी ज्यादा देखो pet are they are very loyal. Dogs जो होते हैं या any other pet, not only this was he was the most mischievous animal or pet I have ever seen. कोई भी चीज को अगर आप pet बना के रखो, even the most dangerous animal, you will see, you will read that story. I took the name of Bruno, na, that is also in your book. We are also going to read a story, Bond of Love. There you will see the difference that how Bruno, he was actually a sloth bear, a very used bear, but still, once he was taken to the family and once he became the part of the family, how he showed his love. He never showed anything which will not suit or which will not, loved by any family member. But anyway, so Toto's story was over because he was again sold back to that Tonga driver where and only 3 rupees, obviously, because his mischief grew by the day and grandfather realized that no, it is not possible for them to keep him at home. And so he found the same Tonga driver and Toto was sold back to him for a sum of 3 rupees. So in this manner, you can see. So this was what happened. Story where you saw that how this mischievous monkey created a mess. Okay. Now story is clear. Story is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any query, anything which you would like to ask me, I'm giving you opportunity. Unmute yourself and ask me now. Any part, any line which is not
क्वेश्चन
clear.
आंसर नहीं करवाइएगा.
Definitely speak in English. अभी उससे पहले मैंने इसीलिए that's why I gave you opportunity that if you have any query then ask me.
Ma'am,
Otherwise,
can you please tell the question answers?
yeah, it is your. Okay, now it's your job. I will say. Okay, listen carefully. I will explain you how to write question answers. The very first question is, how does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? Very simply, that writer's grandfather liked to collect animals. Okay, and he had made. Now, don't directly write the answer. You are in 9th standard. There should be some reference to context. That's it. ये question है, how does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? Simply don't write that. Toto came to grandfather's private zoo because he was purchased by from a Tonga driver. No, at least you simply write down that our narrator's grandfather was very fond of animals. He would like to collect animals and he had made a zoo at his place. One day he saw a red colored monkey tied whatever there is to a throp with a Tonga driver. He liked the monkey and wanted to add it to his collection. It is there in your book also. And so he bought Toto from the Tronga diver for a sum of 5 rupees. Okay. Now, next question is, Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto pretty? Narrator tried to explain that yes, Toto was a pretty monkey because he had a bright shining eyes which were full of mischief. His teeth were like pearls. He had a long tail which was like a third hand for him. Okay. And in fact, they all feel, rather his grandfather always used to tell him that a tail added to a beauty of an animal. Grandfather, you remember this line was always spoken by grandfather. He always believed that. And so in fact, in this manner, you can come to a conclusion that yes, Toto was a pretty monkey. Why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how? Now you all know, it's very clearly written in the story. Why does the ticket collector insist on calling Toto a dog? Now this is a question. Now since Toto was creating a lot of mischief, and in order to hide, Toto was mischievous animal, and grandmother was not knowing that Toto has arrived in their family. So grandfather decided to take him to Saharanpur because he has to go there to collect his pension. A bag was made of strong canvas material. Some straw was placed in it. Toto was placed inside the bag and was sealed with the zipper. The ticket collector did not accept. Toto was obviously, but as they reached near the, you can say exit, then he took out his face and he started grinning, smiling at the ticket collector. Now, ticket collector did not accept grandfather's claim that Toto was not a dog. He called it dog and charged the ticket fee for it because only dogs were allowed. Only dogs are allowed to travel. If ticket collector would have declared that any other animal is, then there would have a lot of trouble. So he did not want to put himself into trouble as well. So he thought it is good that since it's an animal, he would have to be termed a dog. समझ रहे हो ना, मतलब टिकट कलेक्टर कोई बहुत ज्यादा वो पेपर वर्क, बहुत सारा लीगल प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती थी कि दैट हाउ हैव यू अलाउड a monkey. So he decided it's better to call him dog and to charge a good amount of money as a ticket from him. Now, how does Toto take a bath? That I have already explained you. Where has he learned to do this? How does Toto almost boil himself alive? It is very clearly written in the story. I don't think. Do you need me to explain this answer? I think it is very clearly mentioned in the story that how Toto checked the temperature of the water, and then how he would step into the tub 1 foot at a time. Then he used to sit inside in the tub with his face out. He would rub soap on his body, and when the water became cold, he would jump out and run to the stove in the kitchen to dry himself. And then one day what happened? He jumped into the kettle of water, kept on the stove for boiling. He found it warm enough to take a bath, jumping and yelling because now he felt that he is going to be boiled in the water because water started boiling. It was difficult for him to be there. Anyway, then fortunately grandmother came there and she pulled him out of the kettle on time, in time. Otherwise, he would have boiled himself that day. Why does the author say Toto was not the sort of pet we would kept for a long? Now, this answer I want all of you to write according in your own word. Because why? Because Toto was not a kind of pet. He was extremely mischievous, destructive, annoying, irritating. Okay, he always used to destroy things, tore papers, clothes, curtain, broke dishes. Not only that, when he was kept in the private zoo, there also he created problem for the other animals. He had an enmity with their family donkey Nana. So in this manner, and then he always used to irritate aunts, grandmothers.